Greetings students, this is Anjana Puri again from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary to make your calculations more easier and more faster. I am here to teach you one more trick of multiplication by 999 in just 5 seconds. Here we can have 3 cases. So first of all we will deal with one case, that is where multiplicand digits are equal to the multiplier digits. Means in the question you can see here there are 4 nines and 4 digits on the multiplicand side also. So it means both the digits are same. What is the trick over here? I can directly write the answer without using pen and paper. That is 17648235. Again it's very simple. Have a look. First step is I will subtract 1 from multiplicand, that is 1765 minus 1, and I will get one answer, half of the answer, that is 1764 on left hand side. And on the right hand side what I did, just complement of 1765. Now what is this complement? Yes, you are correct. Complement means subtracting all the digits from 9 and last from 10. It means when I will subtract 9 minus 1, 1765 I have to find the complement. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Then second digit is 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Third is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3, and the last digit is 5, which I need to subtract from 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Thus I have got my answer 1764823.5. Now here you can also, instead of finding complement, you can also do one thing, that whatever answer you have got on the left hand side, subtract all the digits from 9 and you will get the same answer. So it's up to you how you find it easier. Here are some practice questions for you people. First one is 732 multiplied by 999. Again the first step, I will subtract 1 from 732 and I will get 731. Now I will subtract all from 9 and last from 10. So what I will get? 268, and the whole answer is 731268 verbally without any pen and pencil. Next 401 multiplied by 999. Again subtracting 1 from 401 I will get 400. Then subtracting all from 9 last from 10 I will get 599, and the whole answer is 400599. Now look, 789526. How much time you would have taken if you would have multiplied it in the conventional way? And there are the chances of getting wrong answer even. But here full 100% accuracy is guaranteed. So here you are with the answer 789525210474. So this was all about when the number of digits on both the side are equal. Now we are coming to second type, where the number of digits in multiplicand is lesser than the multiplier digits. So here is the example. You can see in the multiplicand there are only 2 digits, that is 89, but number of 9s are 3, one more. But we have to follow the same method only. You can see here, first of all what I did, 89 minus 1 and I got 88. So make it 3-digit number, I have added 0. And again complement of 089 means subtracting all from 9 last from 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 9 is 1. And here is my answer, 88,911. So again you can do the practice. Here are the practice sums for you. On one side we are having 3 digits, on the other side we are having 4 nines. So first step same. Yes, you are right. You have to deduct 1 from 786 and you are getting it 785. Now how many 9s are extra? Only 1. You can write in between without putting even 0 also. Just look, 785, 9, and then same procedure. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, and last digit is 6, so 10 minus 6 is 4. Next question is again multiplicand 4 digits, whereas number of 9s are 6. So what can you do? First of all, subtract 1. You will get 8, 7, 6, 9. Instead of 9, minus 1 means 8. And how many extra 9s are there? 2. Just put 2 9s in between. And then same procedure. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 10 minus 9 is 1. Ooh, such a big question. How many digits are there? And I can do within seconds. I can't believe it. Yes, only last digit 4 minus 1 and you will write whole number as it is except this 3. And how many 9s are extra? 3 9s. So put 3 9s and then same 9 minus 1, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 3 and so on. And you have got your answer. Now there may be the case where multiplicand digits are more than the multiplier digits. As you can see in the example 7654 we are having 4 digits, whereas 999 there are only 3 digits. Now in this case what is to be done? I will just write down 3 zeros after 7654 and I will subtract 7654 from this given number. Now you will ask from where I got this. As there are 3 9s, so I am going to write 3 zeros. And here is the answer. Now for practice also I would like to give you questions. Here you can see there are 5 digits on the left hand side, whereas only 3 9s are there. So my first step is I will copy the whole number 34563 and write down 3 zeros over there and subtract the given number. I have arrived at my answer, that is 34528437. Next again the same 5 digits and on the other side there are only 3 digits. So same procedure, I will write the number, that is 34,689 and add on 3 zeros on the right hand side and subtract the given number, and I will get the answer 34654311. Next, such a big number again, but don't be afraid. 98765433 and on the other side there are only 5 9s. So what I will do? I will add on 5 zeros and subtract the given number, and I have come across the answer over there. So I hope you found maths more interesting and most easiest one. Now students, thank you very much and have fun with maths.